Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Keogh. Welcome to Art, and today we are going to be doing funny faces. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to tell us what exactly we're going to be doing today, and then you are going to be creating your very own funny faces. So we're going to be drawing our funny faces, and our job is to create 4 unique funny faces using different shapes and lines. And then we're going to name our characters. And so how are we going to do this? We are going to draw 4 large shapes, any shapes you want, make sure they're big. Then we're going to be using our resource to draw eyes, noses, mouths, ears, and accessories. We're going to name our pictures, and then most importantly, you're going to take a picture so I can see it and we can share with each other. So what materials do you need? You need our resource page, which you can pause the video and look at that resource page. You need your own white paper, a pencil or markers, and you're ready to start. And so go ahead and draw your 4 shapes, nice and big. These do not have to be the shapes you make. You can draw different shapes if you like. And then pause your video here so that you can add eyes, nose, mouth, hair, ears, and accessories. And I also have these visuals for you right here separately if you would like to pause your video, and they are bigger. I'm also going to be demonstrating for you exactly how to do this at the end. But the most important part is, remember, when you're done, take a picture of your artwork using your iPad. Make sure it is parallel. That means directly over the paper, not angled, so that I can really see it. Edit your picture and then submit it onto Canvas. All right. I can't wait to see what you create. Let's get started. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is you can choose to have your paper vertical or horizontal. All you need is a drawing tool. I'm gonna draw 4 large shapes. They can be shapes I recognize, geometric shapes, or they can be organic shapes. It is up to you. Then we are going to start adding our details. So the first thing we're going to do is choose some eyes. So for this one, I'm going to choose 2 circles with dots. For this one, I'm going to choose these lines that cross over each other that look like stars, and I'm putting them near the top of my shapes. For this one, I'm going to choose these eyes that look kind of angry. And for this one, I'm going to choose the check marks or a diagonal line. Next, we're going to be choosing our nose. There are so many different options. You might even have your own. But for this one, I'm going to put 2 dots, curved line. Maybe I want this one to have a beak. And for this one, I'm going to use 2 vertical lines and add nostrils using the letter C. And now I'm ready to add my mouth. So we have so many mouths to choose from. And again, you can choose any mouth you want. I'm going to choose an open mouth with some buck teeth and color in. Maybe he's screaming or shouting. For the next one, I'm going to choose a curved line. He's going to be very happy. For this one, I'm going to choose a wiggly line to match that emotion. And for this one, I'm going to choose a nice bright smile. Remember, we only have 2 rows of teeth, so put your line in the very center and draw vertical lines going from the top to bottom. And now we're ready to add our
ears. What kind of ears are we gonna have? We could have just curved lines, bunny ears. I could have floppy ears. So I'm just drawing a curved line going towards the bottom of the paper, or even a triangle. And now I'm ready for the fun part. We're gonna add hair and accessories. So there's lots of different ways to draw hair. I'm gonna choose curly hair for this one. I'm staying close to the head so that hair is attached. For this one, I'm gonna choose spiky hair. For this one, I'm gonna choose hair that sweeps up off of the head. And again, I'm making sure it's attached to that shape. And for this one, I'm gonna choose big curvy line going from one side, one ear to the other. And now it's time for accessories. What details are you gonna add? Remember, you can come up with your own if you like. For this one, I'm gonna have her wear a necklace. So I'm gonna put 2 straight lines for the neck and create beads. For this one, he's gonna be wearing glasses. I'm gonna choose a shape and connect. Oops, I forgot to make ears. Connect it to the ears. And for this one, I'm going to add a bow tie. And for this one, I'm going to add freckles. And now it's time for me to add my names. Maybe this is surprised Sally. This one is happy Lorenzo. This one is cranky Craig. And this one will be smiley Stu. All right, I can't wait to see what your characters you create. Let's get started.